There it goes, going off at 95.1.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, western Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, southern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, Sarpy County, southeastern Washington County, northeastern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County, western Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:52 a.m., a gust front associated with severe thunderstorms to the north was located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Missouri Valley to near Elkhorn to 6 miles southeast of Wahoo, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Omaha, Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Papillion, La Vista, Ralston, Wahoo, Gretna, Ashland, Valley, Springfield, Utan, Louisville, Underwood, Fort Calhoun, Waterloo, Minot, Meade, Greenwood, and Cedar Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 42 and 74. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 418 and 454. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has...
Yep. Well, there you have it. That was severe thunderstorm. Excuse me. That was a severe thunderstorm warning. Hi. Oh gosh. No. No, it's been knocked off the air. It's been knocked off the air. Oh, WXM20 just got knocked off the air. Because of this. Oh gosh. I'm gonna have to switch stations. I'm going to see if I can connect to other stations. I'm gonna see if I can connect to Omaha station. Oh my god. Yeah, look. 2 bars. 2 bars. Oh, 1 bar now. 1 bar. Oh gosh. Let me see here. Station. I'll try on this one. Cause that's all I'm getting. That's all I'm getting there. They might have to issue a high wind warning for this. Who knows? Oh, dude. I think Omaha got knocked off the air too. Oh, there we go. Alright, I am officially connected to Omaha station. I'm surprised that I can actually listen to Omaha station pretty good, but if I get near the antenna, then it will be
expected. Expects damage to roofs. Citing
Then it will kind of get, like, you know,
severe
then it kind of
thunderstorms
gets
will be near.
started. But this has been knocked off the air. I believe that's what happened. I was just listening to it, and then that happened.
Locations impacted by these severe
All right.
thunderstorms include Old Town Park. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, Mills County in southwestern Iowa, Western Page County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, Turtle County in southeastern Nebraska, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 10.
It's actually moving in here.
At 9:24 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles north of Glenwood to 6 miles northwest of Bennett, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by the following impacts are expected. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near South Lincoln at 9:25 a.m.
Crap.
Glenwood around 9:30 a.m. Malvern around 9:35 a.m. Emerson, Unadilla, and Douglas around 9:40 a.m. Syracuse around 9:45 a.m. Red Oak around 9:50 a.m. Essex, Stanton, Talmadge, and Lawton around 9:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Thurman, Grant, Camp Catron, Manly, Hastings, Coburg, Burr, Walbonsee State Park, Silver City, and Pierce Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 1 and 39. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Lancaster, and Odo, and the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Mills, Montgomery, and Page.
Did it just said it was moving at 60 miles per hour?
Severe thunderstorm watch number 424.
Oh gosh.
Until 11 a.m. for the following counties: Burke, Nebraska. Remember,
I'm connected to Omaha Station because WXM20 just got knocked off the air.
damaging winds in
So I'm here on KIH 61 in Omaha.
severe weather may not be imminent. Persons
Oh boy.